If your pancakes look like bricks, you're probably feeling pretty disappointed right now. No one wants to start their day with a dense, heavy pancake that feels more like a workout than a breakfast treat. But don't worry, we've all been there. The good news is, there's a simple solution to turn those pancake bricks into fluffy, delicious clouds of breakfast joy. You're missing out on the true pancake experience if your pancakes aren't light and airy. Imagine biting into a pancake that's so fluffy it practically melts in your mouth. That's the kind of pancake we're aiming for today. So let's get excited and get ready to transform your pancake game. Let's fluff them up. First things first, grab your favorite pancake mix. It doesn't matter which brand you prefer, the key is in the technique. Pancake mix is a convenient and reliable base for making pancakes, but the magic happens with how you prepare it. So let's dive into the process. Start by adding the right amount of water to your pancake mix. Follow the instructions on the box, but here's a little tip: use cold water. Cold water helps to keep the batter thick and prevents it from becoming too runny. Once you've added the water, give it a good whisk. Whisking is crucial because it incorporates air into the batter, which is what makes the pancakes fluffy. Don't overmix though. You want to whisk just until the batter is smooth and free of lumps. Now it's time to cook. Heat your griddle or pan to medium-high heat. You want it hot enough to cook the pancakes quickly, but not so hot that they burn. Pour the batter onto the griddle in small circles. When you see bubbles forming on the surface of the pancakes, it's time to flip them. Cook until both sides are golden brown. And there you have it, perfect pancakes in minutes. Stack them up, add your favorite toppings, and enjoy a breakfast that's sure to start your day off right.